good, my friends. In today's video we are going to mount this house for kids. It's the Feber Fantasy House. Okay, let's go to start. If you want to see the video how I mount the trampoline, take a look to the car here. Okay, let's get started. Elizabeth, here is your house. Oh, look at this. Do you like it? It's orange. Whoa, what is that? The tops.
It's this.
Which color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. And this one?
That's the door.
The door. Very
Yeah.
good.
Black.
It's black. I think it's white.
White.
It's white. Very good.
Este es white también.
These kids know English. Amazing. Okay, we have to start with the roof.
Green.
Roof. First, the roof. Okay, kids, the roof. Where is the roof? What is the roof? This is the roof. Very good. We need the two pieces of roof. We need the two pieces of roof. Okay.
Ya lo que he descubierto. Oh, yes.
¿Se ve esto? Okay, we have to insert here like this. Like this. Okay. Now we are going to put the screws. Look at the screws. We need two pieces. First, this one, and then. Okay, we have to insert this piece here, and now this piece here. Okay. There is a screwdriver here. I don't know. This is a screwdriver. We use it like this. We have to put 4 of them. Okay, we put this piece here. Like this. And now here we have to put 4 screws. I'm going to show you because these ones. Okay, there are only 4 of these, so you cannot. forget that we have to put this first. So let's remove it. Have to do like this, and now we put it in position. Okay, now we put the roof, very easy, and we have to put 8 screws. Okay, let's put it in position properly. We have to put, look here, we have to put the roof in this place. Okay, like this. Nice. Now we put this screw here inside. Okay. There are 8 of them.
Vale.
Okay, now we have to put 6 screws. For that, we have to get inside the house. One goes here. And 2 more there. And in the other side, 3 more. Okay guys, I hope have been useful for you this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in next video. You can take a look now to the video of the trampoline right here in the car.